Hey guys! Today I will introduce you to the Cloud Task Referral Program page. This page will not only allow you to increase your potential earnings, but also help you reach a broader audience. Let's get started. The Cloud Task Referral Program page has 4 offers in one place, where your referrals can hire lead generation companies, hire sales freelancers, or start their own freelance or sales agency journey while you're getting compensated for every successful hire in US dollars. Now let's go ahead and sign up to cloudtask.partnerstack.com and grab your link so you can start earning. Go to Links in your dashboard and go to Customize your referral link. This is the link that will be shared with your audience. I recommend you use the first letter of your first name and full last name. Once you've been informed that one of your referrals hired through your link or got hired, go to Rewards and Withdrawals and claim your reward using PayPal or Stripe.